Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let us look into the values of palm wine in Igbo land, or the significance of it in Igbo land as a whole. But before that, if you're newly here, please hit the like buttons and subscribing bell to know when we are online. Ngwa ka anyị mara ihe mmanya nkwụ na-egosi n'ala Igbo maọbụ uru ọ bara. Ka anyị bido. Palm wine is used as a symbol of peace, respect and acceptance in Igbo land. Yes, palm wine is also brought when meeting someone to show no harm to others. Palm wine is used as a special drink to welcome newly visitors in Igbo land. Palm wine is also used in many occasions like marriage ceremonies, naming ceremonies, and even our individual homes as a special drink. Ihe a na-akọwa bụ na mmanya nkwụ